Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Color the leaf. This is a leaf. They are saying this is a leaf with the correct blend. We have to color the each leaf with its corresponding correct blending words. Okay, let's look at the first one. What is this? This is a chest. So CH, chest, not cest, it's a chest. Okay, let's see here. They are catching the ball. Yes, they are catch. Yes, you are hearing a CH sound, isn't it? CH sound. CH. If you put SH, then it will become a cash, not a sh sound. It's a catch, itch sound. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is a ship. If you put CH, then it will become a chip, like a potato chip. Okay, then this is a chip. S sound. Yes, HIP, ship. Okay, let's look at here. This is a fish. Sh, it's a sound. Yes, H. We have to correctly blending this. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay children, let's do the exercise now. Listen, what is this? This is a trash, not a trash, it's a trash. Yes, hatch, trash. Okay, this is a splash. His sound is coming, isn't it? Yes, hatch. Then you already know what is this. Yes, this is a brush. It's not a brush, it's a brush. Yes, H sound. Okay, let's see here what she's eating. She's eating a very delicious burger, I think so. She's a munch. Isn't it? Not a mush, it's a munch. So CH. Okay children,